Instagram is begging you to stop reposting TikToks to Reels.
It's getting that bad, apparently.
And it's going to downrank you when you do. It's the watermark.
Yeah, it's so transparent.
And the crappy resolution.
Who would think we're talking about watermarks in 2022?
Yeah.
It's so weird.
Yeah.
TikTok watermark. Instagram is making a few new creator-focused changes to its platform, which Instagram head Adam Mosseri said are meant to make sure that credit is going to those who deserve it. Well, that's another thing. People just rip and dip. They just take from other places and upload as their own.
Was a big problem going on in Snapchat. Snapchat with their Spotlight app. They were giving $1 million to the top story of the day. And what ended up happening was people just reposting from TikTok to Snapchat.
$1 million a day?
It was ridiculous. And they spent like over $100 million. And now they've changed it to, and I don't know what it is right now, but last week I was watching a video. They had changed it to, I think it's like $1 million every week now.
Will, are you questioning Mo's credentials?
I'm not, no. I just thought it was really...
it's out there. It's really ridiculous.
Are you questioning Mo's numbers?
No, Mo's got it.
No, there's a very interesting video done on this. And like kids are like getting 50 grand because they're winning. Right?
Oh, it's not $1 million per person.
No, sorry, it's $1 million for the
pool of money. Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh, I see.
But it's really repetitive
tournament style.
because once you get big, you end up becoming big for the next couple of days. So you win a few pots in a row, type of thing. But it's very, very. This reposting of other content is a real problem.
Sounds very lucrative. Why aren't we on Snapchat?
Don't question Mo. Well.
How dare I?
Don't even think about it. All right? Because he was ready there.
Yeah.
He's like, try me.
He's behind me.
He had numbers. Yeah. He's making the sad face behind you.
Yeah.
If you create something from scratch, Mosseri said in a video explaining the new features, you should get more credit than if you are resharing something that you found from someone else. We're going to try to do more to try and value original content more, particularly compared to reposted content. Valuing original content isn't a new thing, of course, but Mosseri said Instagram is going to lean more heavily in this direction. Translation, please stop posting TikToks to Reels. We're begging you. So they're going to downrank it. They're going to use some type of AI, some type of scanning
that can see the watermark
to discover the watermark. Reels in particular is central to this effort. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg called the short form videos our fastest growing content format by far. And they're now available across Facebook and Instagram. But anyone who uses Reels knows it can feel like a TikTok clone, often with the same content just reposted, TikTok logo and all. One way for Instagram to de-incentivize that practice, bury it in the rankings, and that's exactly what Mosseri seems to be planning to do. We will iterate over time. I can't imagine, like they're saying, aggregator accounts, like meme accounts. Which are just check out this funny thing.
Yeah,
it's all reposts.
Yeah.
Those are the biggest accounts. The hugest accounts. Look at this funny thing. Or look at this cool thing that happened somewhere else on the internet without any commentary, reconfiguration.
It's like World Star Hip Hop or something.
Yeah, I mean, I was trying to think of examples, but even what was the one dude who, I'm not remembering his name now, he became really famous, fat Jewish?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
He became, but I don't even know, is he still doing the aggregation? Because he was getting heat for...
Plagiarism?
Well, it was a topic at one point in time. I see Twitter. Interesting.
It's only a hashtag.
Does he do the Instagram anymore? Did you type Instagram? No. Oh, yeah, there you go. Of course he does. For some reason, he was downranked. Okay, yeah, so it's still going on.
Well, when's his most recent post, though? Like, are these recent posts?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know. Shout out, Lee. Don't forget to like this video. Yeah, we would love that if you like this video. Thank you, Lee. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that gets reposted. I don't know, but that's the internet, man. The internet is post, repost, retweet. I mean, maybe they need to find a better way to repost that type of content. I know YouTube is goofing around with remix. You're allowed to use small pieces, but you got to put some new element to it. So imagine if it would be okay on Reels if you did some type of new version, a recut or a commentary on top of or something.
Right.
I wonder how that's going to get treated. Is that going to get downranked as well? Because they pick up 7 or 8 frames that were from the TikTok. It's all very interesting. People trying to reformat and have success cross-platform. Because more often than not, if you see something that's blowing up on TikTok, guess what? It'll probably work on Instagram Reels.
Yeah.
Or YouTube Shorts.
Yeah.
But I know YouTube feels the same way with the short stuff. They're like, hey, no watermarks, please. No repurposing.
Well, that's the power of being first to the game.
Well, nobody watermarks, though. Imagine if YouTube watermarked all my content.
No, but I think that was a great move from TikTok, right?
Well, I'm surprised everybody's okay with it.
Yeah.
Now that you think about it, it's like your video, but you can't get the brand name off of it.
Yeah.
No matter what you do. You can't rip it without the brand name on it. Now, I know on YouTube, you always have the player when it's embedded. So the branding is always there, but if you rip a YouTube video, it's clean. It's whatever it was originally.
Yeah.
Unless the individual chooses to watermark it with their own brand. But to have the overlord, the company themselves.
Yeah, just automatically.
It's pretty wild when you think about it like that.
Yeah.
If everything we ever posted to YouTube had a YouTube badge that couldn't be extracted from it.
Yeah. No, that's not good.
It's obvious we wouldn't like it. But
you wouldn't feel like you had ownership.
On TikTok, since it's always been like that, people just kind of live with it. Meanwhile, you're out here promoting the platform everywhere you go. A platform that apparently, what we've come to learn, barely pays you.
Yeah.
In a lot of cases.
Yeah.
So.
Barely pays you and owns your content.
Watermarks it. They'll probably charge you a premium fee. They're like, no, you don't want the watermark?
Right.
There's a plan for that.
There'll be $9.99 per month. Don't share your password.